mapagsama sila together. Alam ko maraming offers na they want together, pero Star Cinema and Viva ang nakabuo. What made you write this type of story though, Miss Kukay and Miss Crystal?
Of course, we are joined by one of our co-writers also, si Jen, who's not here with us, and si Simon, yung isa sa mga bumuo ng story with us. Siguro, when we were just thinking of the project, talaga nag-iisip lang kami kung ano kaya magandang, kasi it's been a while since we had a love story for Star Cinema. And iniisip lang talaga namin, ano kaya yung generation ngayon, paano kaya sila magmahal? Ano rin kaya yung mga mag-stop sa kanila, ano yung mga binibitbit nila when coming into a relationship, ano yung mga factors na iniisip nila kung dapat ba magtatagal or hindi ang isang relasyon. Siguro isa rin yan sa mga naging inspiration namin while writing the story. And to be honest, it's been parang before the pandemic pa, gusto na talaga namin gumawa ng Joshua and Julia film. Pero hindi natutuloy.
True.
Pero we were so grateful that they both agreed to do this project. And we're here now. Na-inspired din kami actually sa Paubaya na music video.
I know.
When we watched it, parang it was just so real for the two of them. And yun, gusto lang namin ikwento kung paano na ba din magmahal yung generation ngayon, di ba? Direk, kung parang paano na sila, do they really hold on? Kasi di ba yung previous generation parang matiisin masyado in the relationship. So I don't know if na-try namin na makwento kung paano yung si Zai at si Wancho magmahal.
I'm sorry, the characters are Zai?
Zai and Wancho.
Wancho.
Tali, wanna add to?
Ayan, Miss Crystal.
Hello po. Siguro when we were also, nung binubuo namin din yung story, we were looking for a very relatable one. Diba? Na nakita naman natin yung kwento na two broken people, diba? Na magkikita ulit. Tapos may, syempre, diba, sa relationship naman kapag natatapos siya, may galit, may sakit, diba? At ang tanong talaga, may pagmamahal pa ba? Diba? So yun, so ang daming what ifs. Pero ang dulong tanong, what now? Diba? After all that what ifs. Anong gagawin? So yun.
Ayun. Thank you, Miss Crystal. Of course, tatanungin na rin natin ang ating director mula sa papabalik tamis sa teaser. Ngayon naman ay ramdam ang init, lasap ang pait at tumatagos ang sakit sa trailer. Ano pang experience sa may expect ng mga tao sa pagbabalik ng Josh Dia? That's for Direk Peterson. Kasi ganda ng trailer, inano na. Andun lahat ng elements ng emosyon.
Right. Siguro, itutuloy ko lang yung nasimula nila Kukay na sinasabi niya na tinatrack namin ngayon kung paano magmahal yung generation ngayon. Pero I think, gusto rin natin ipakita kung paano sila masaktan. And I think, we Filipinos like to see, di ba, to mirror that in a cinematic experience. So, parang, yun, bumuo lang talaga kami ng pelikula na ang real nung sakit. I think parang it feels so fresh and current. And for Josh Lia, I think, because when I watch their films, kahit masaya sila panoorin, pero alam mong if you go to that like real, painful, dramatic route, mapupush pa natin sila. So I was really excited to push that dramatic journey with them.
First time mong mag-direct ng bida ay former mga exes?
Oo.
Kasi if you name it, iba yung route mo dito na tinahak eh. Diba?
Yeah, and I think parang, yun nga parang tama yung sinabi ni Ju kanina na sometimes I give them space because they seem to have this very intimate personal process about making the scene. So, they were so generous for sharing themselves.
Of course, they're great actors, no? Direct? Sarap, no? Okay. Justin